night last night in this parking lot. I think I'm about 30 miles west outside of Las Vegas now. This place is called Whiskey Pete's Casino and Hotels. So there's a gas station behind us. Flying J over there. Oh, so we're in a town called Primm, Nevada. Just crossed from California to Nevada last night before pulling over. Oh, and that's about, I think, the fourth U-Haul trucks that I've seen since last night and this morning. So a lot of movement in the country. That's what we're seeing on this throughway at least. And that doesn't include the U-Hauls and the Penske's I saw in traffic yesterday. So something's on. But keep an eye on things. Let you know. Talk later.